A minor blues scale. I'm starting down there at the bottom, then open A and C, open D, E flat and E, open G and A. There's the first octave. We'll go back down now. A, G, E, E flat, D. There's the 4 chord. A minor would be the 1 chord. It's a little riff. I'm going to go up now. There's that E flat to D. That's the blue note. Open E, G. Now I'm going to climb back up. There's back to that D. Now the 3 chords are the 1 chord, which is A minor, and then the 4 chord, which is D, and the 5 chord, which is E. Back to 1. Little riff. That's A minor blues scale. That's the first position. I'm gonna do 3 of these in sequence. So it's Guitar Bobby. Check it out. A minor blues. Peace.